it back into the plate. Let's go. You pick it up. The Uber is más tiempo. Maybe like 10 minutes, okay? Let's knock out these two nachos. Steak and steak would add cheese. Nacho cheese. Okay. Got enough steak for the order. Looking pretty good. We're gonna start dropping tortillas like crazy. Let me get that burrito out of the way real quick though. Okay. These are gonna be steak. That's going. We're gonna start rocking out these tacos. How many we got here? We got 6 on the first order. Let's get it. 6. And let's see how many plates we got. 1, 2, 3. 3 plates. The plates come with the rice and the beans. The other ones without are just a la carte tacos. And those get packaged differently. Move this one right here because I know we're gonna plate those first. Fries are done. 3 minutes 45 seconds at 350 degrees. As soon as they get out, season them with salt and sugar so that they stick to them. Okay, cool. chorizo breakfast burrito out of the way. 4 ounces of beans, 4 ounces of rice, 6 ounces of protein. It's the standard. Chorizo, breakfast burrito. Boom. Okay. Fries. Onion cilantro. Red. And green. We're gonna just take this one out of the way. Onion cilantro mix. It's my trusty tortilla spatula, my taco spatula. Scoops them up perfectly every time. See what I mean? Mad what I mean? Easy money. Right. Bam. Another one. Wow. Okay. Onion cilantro on these, the same. Red and green on all that. Come on, you. Ah. It's not going to be the prettiest nachos at the ball. At the bell. Yeah. Guacamole. Cheese sauce. Oh no. We're almost there. Just 80 more tacos to go. Five, 10, 16. Let's do 10 and then 9. Hear it. I can hear it. All right. Almost there. Almost there. All the tacos get 2 ounces of protein, onion, cilantro, salsa. We don't jip on the protein. Cooperate. Waste any of that steak. Right back into the plate. Okay, this one's regular, and then this one's gonna be add crema. So they all get red and green. Pineapple for the al pastor, of course. Fresh pineapple. 2 limes for the 5 tacos. And 1 salsa. And then this one with sour cream. So I feel like I got another one here. Much better. Don't start. So all I need is 369 tacos. Oh yeah. Oh no. So 3, 6, 7 steak, 2 apple store herd. Start boxing stuff up. These are all the chips and salsa. I saved you the headache of watching me bag that. Get in there. Go this side. These right here. Oh no! Don't let that happen. Like that. Right, 1 more to go. Maybe 2. Seven steak, 2 apple store. Good job, guys. We're getting to the end. And those are regular. One of them's a plate. Oh yeah. Yes. You messing up, dude. All right. Oh yeah. Come on. Too many mixed proteins there. I don't want to do nothing crazy. All right, red and green. This is it. Here I could do it this way. We go 2 boxes on the bottom. Right? Boom. Let's see if this works. And this box right here. Tetris. A lot of food. I'll be right with you. I'm so sorry. Es finito, señor. Oh. All right, los tres. Big catering order.